Python isn't that being boring? We said in the beginning that we are innovative, but we were still teaching you from all PPTs. Now the time has arrived to have something new. Novels, comics, and drama are loved by all. So why not we shall mix these two different things only considered together. And yeah, if you love, please like, share, and subscribe. Here are Python, a computer, and a person trying to deal with iterations.
Come on, this Python is the hardest of all programming languages.
Seriously, it is the easiest language ever.
Huh. Well, I just saw the first computer to speak.
Not only computer, but Python also has its voice. Where is your problem? Let us handle it.
Iterations, where else?
No problem. First of all, learn to update variables. So let the variable be upt. Now put the value 0 and again write upt in next line and +1 and print.
I did the same, but these errors are like demons, killing me.
Logical error. First you updated it and then assigned the variable.
Oh yeah, thanks. But could you please explain me while? I am very bad at them.
Oh, while is easy. Read it as if you are reading it with English. Like t is my variable, then put the value 8. While t is greater than 0, print less and reduce it, that is -1 to t. As soon as it is false, print nothing left. So let us first of all see the demonstration. See,
One tip is there. Print nothing is not in the intent of while.
You both are the best teachers. Thanks.
here the flow of execution is first of all true and false, then if false stops while executing the next line, and if true execute while from step 1.
This is a loop and every time loop is executed, it is called iteration.
Would you both have fun in this while loop?
Why not?
Are you sure you want it?
Sure.
Okay, have it.
I'm confused. Why is it not ending?
Stop, nor would I crash now.
This was an infinite loop which never ends because true is constant in this loop.
There might be its application, but we want to break it at a point. How can we deal with that?
You just saw a video. Tell us what you learned.
My guess is the break in syntax.
Correct. Break is used. This program will help you a lot. Here, whenever word done is printed, the break gets out of the loop and program ends there itself. Let us see its demonstration also. Here.
Sometimes you would want iteration to continue, but you will want certain lines should not be printed. Here it does not go down but continue back from upwards and process starts again.
Let us have its demonstration also. See, it is not printed, but if I write done, it is printed. So guys, so iteration part 2 is soon coming, and if you love our idea, then do tell us by commenting or emailing us on starspython@gmail.com.